This is not paradise. What is it? Can someone tell me? The weather is amazing. You eat fresh food. You have waves making so much noise behind me. The scenery is perfect. Oh, just like, yeah. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel modebyscc.com. I am CC. I am very excited about today's video, which is a vlog. I'm going to be taking you around Lagos with me today. This is my second time in the Nigeria, Lagos particularly, because I run a few of my business down here for my online e-commerce ccfinery.com, which please make sure you check out, which is all about, as I always claim, Afro chic and Afro chic best product for the Western market, but the originality lies in me sourcing them from the motherland. So today it's going to be a very busy day with my team. I have my driver coming to pick me up, and then I will have someone assisting me to go around the markets and meeting my makers and designers. So super. So quick backstory. Last year I was here as well, and I filmed a vlog, but I was so sick that I didn't finish shooting it, therefore I couldn't really edit it because it wasn't complete. But this year I'm very excited about this, taking you throughout and see what actually happened backstage. And this beautiful city I really like. I think Nigeria is such an amazing country, and I've never seen people so proud of their country like Nigerians. They really believe in their country, and which is why I think I'm kind of always attracted to come back here to do more businesses. They are just so positive about a lot of things, and especially Lagos is very fast and upcoming. People have money, crazy money. To be honest, if I haven't been here, then I will keep on believing on those bad stories that are always told about African countries, how bad they are, how terrorism and stuff like that. What I would say is every country have their own issue, but some countries are there, like Nigeria. I think, in my opinion, especially Lagos City, I don't know about other cities because I haven't really visited them, have so much to offer. So yeah, let's get ready and I will take you through everything. So today I'll be wearing a tank top and a pair of jeans. Even though it's really hot at the moment, it's like 30 degrees out, but I feel like it's going to be a very long day and I'm not too sure I want to wear a dress, so this would do for today. And of course, who doesn't wear perfume these days? So I will wear my Miller Harris, one of my new favorite scents. I think it smells so good, and it's because I chose this size because I can easily travel with it, unlike the bigger bottle. So, and I'll show you my hair as well that I got done yesterday.
Looking on my back and you are still the same. I try to figure out why you can tell us stay.
So hi guys, we are at the location where I might just have bought a land in Nigeria. These are the surroundings. It's very gorgeous, and you can see the palm trees at the back. It's very natural, and just not like less than 10 minutes walk there is a beach. I have no idea what I'm going to be doing with this land. It's crazy. I can't believe I own a land in a foreign country than my own in Nigeria. Madness. I'm gonna show you around.
Looking on my back and you are still the same.
It's still so quiet, like it's so natural. Even the air is not too hot. The air is just perfect. Guys, I can't believe I own a land in a foreign country, in Nigeria precisely. This country, I loved it from the first time I came here. I love Nigerian peoples. I think they are amazing. Look at this, look at the land. Baby girl is a land owner in a foreign country. I could never have dreamt of this, to be honest. You can see still it's not built around here, and the Dangote refinery isn't actually very far. It's like 15 minutes drive from here. And if you are wondering who's Dangote, Dangote is probably the richest man in Africa, and he's building the biggest African oil refinery 15 minutes down there. And they are building a new port, they are building a new airport, so you guys can imagine what this place will look like in 5 years from now. I have no plan yet of what I'm going to do with the land. Will I keep it? Will I sell it? Will I build on it? I have no clue. But baby, I'm excited. I am excited. This is such an amazing Afro-chic journey. Landowner in Nigeria. I still can't believe it. So guys, we are at the Bridge Estate. That's where baby girl owns a land. I have no idea what I'm going to be doing on this land. Keep it, sell it, build on it. No clue. But for now, the most important thing is I own it. What's better than owning a land, right guys? What's better? Come with me, come. So this is the entry of the estate. Like Nigerians have a system of estate where there is a gate. It's usually very gated and very secure, and then they build a lot of houses at the back that, you know, before you come into the estate you kind of have to request an entry, which I actually really like, because it just means it's secure. And I have no idea what I'm going to be doing on my land. I'm just excited to have it. I'm just excited to have it. If this is not paradise, what is it? Can someone tell me? The weather is amazing. It's fresh food. You have waves making so much noise behind me. The scenery is perfect. Ah, it's beautiful, guys. And look at it. Look at them. Let's take some coconut. So this is a fresh, natural, organic coconut. No artificial nothing, you know. What can I say? When people say Africa is the future, is it really the future? I think it's the present. It just depends on how you want to see it. Like, can you imagine drinking, eating things like this every day, living by the sea, no stress, no cars polluting the air, waking up? What more can you want? It's madness. I mean, apart from my camera to just film this video to share with you guys, I'm so excited. The way I was stressed in London, I knew I had to get out. I knew I had to come on holiday, and just waking up by the sea. What more? Life is beautiful. I love it, guys. I'm so grateful to God for allowing me to come here to Nigeria. Why this is sad. And they have so many seas everywhere, you know, everywhere we've been. They have amazing beaches. I keep saying Nigeria should be a top African destination, but they just need to market it themselves. Like, I can only do this video, but the government, the people, they need to take it. And even though by the time tourists start coming, things start changing, but this is nature at its purest state. Amazing. Amazing. So you can see it. So that's see? Ah! Oh my, I don't even, can you imagine that? Real. Put so much water in my coconut. I'm sure this can cure any illness you have in your body because it's pure, it's organic, it's natural, it's perfect, it's African, you know. It's all like, we don't even use the word organic in Africa because it's just a way of living. Cheese. This is my coconut, guys. And a lot of Africans live like this. We will call it eco-friendly, we will call it... Sometimes the media just try to twist the narrative when there cannot be a better way than this. There cannot be a better way than eating natural. Being healthy, living under the sun by the seaside. That's why it's good to see what the media will show you what they want you to see about Africa, but as an African, I know it's all lies because they probably don't want you to come here and witness this greatness. Africa is amazing. Just know how to go about it, know where to go, find someone to guide you around, and you'll be just great.
Africa is amazing.
You could be eating fresh, organic coconut like me.
If you find this in London, it probably might have stayed 30 days in the street, in the sea, and 41 days, or even the one that you find in London, they're being...
it's not natural,
it's not
organic.
It's
they have to put so many things in it for you to receive it there. Let's be realistic, okay? Cocoa, chocolate, everything comes from here. Yeah, but they make you think we have everything. You need to come and visit. I will make you come and visit, okay? We are just by the beach now, and you can see all this beauty behind me, and the beach is literally 5 minutes from the land above. I have no clue, as I say, what I'm going to be doing on that land, but this is dreamy. Look, the weather is amazing. My house, I don't know if I will build it. I believe I will be like 5 minutes walk from the beach, and waking up to this natural food every day, blue seaside. Exciting times, guys. I'll keep you up. Just keep following. I don't know, it might take years, I have no clue, but you will know about what will come. And thank you for watching this video. So please do not hesitate to like and subscribe for more Afro chic content, and follow me on my social media at Mode by CC, and check my business on the description below. Bye.